With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here is positive and negative ions are produced in the atmosphere due to cosmic rays from space and also due to radioactive elements in the soil. In some region in the atmosphere, the electric field strength is 100 volt per meter in the vertically downward direction. This field exerts force on the positive and negative ions in the given region in atmosphere. As a result, positive ions having a density 500 per centimeter cube drift downward, while negative ions having a density 300 per centimeter cube drift upward. All these ions are singly charged. It is observed that the conductivity in the given region is 4 into 10 raised to minus 13 per ohm meter. Find the average speed of ions, assuming it to be the same for positive and negative ions. So we have to find here the average speed of ions, which is known as the drift velocity, because here ions are represented as or known as the charge carriers. So we have to find the speed of the charge carriers, and the speed of charge carriers can be termed as, or it is coined as, drift velocity. So here the electrical field is given, which is given as the electric field is equal to 100 volt per meter, and the density of negative charge is given as, we know that from the question it is clear that the average speed of ions is same for both positive and negative ions. So we are taking, for convenience, we are taking the density of negative ions, and it is given as 300 per centimeter cube. So we are converting into meter cube, so it will be as 300 into 10 raised to minus 6 per meter cube. So this will be the density of negative ions. Therefore, we have to find the current density first. We know that current density is given by, current density is equal to N into E into Vd, where N means number of electrons per unit volume or the density of charge. So N implies the density of charge, and E is the charge of electron. We know that the charge of electron is a constant and its value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So E means charge, and Vd, that is the term we have to find. It is known as drift velocity, or it is also known as the average speed of ions as per question. So as per question we have to find the average speed of ions. So we have to find these terms, and we know that current density J is equal to sigma into E, and here the value of sigma is given as 4 into 10 raised to minus 13 per ohm meter, where sigma is known as the conductivity and it is given as 4 into 10 raised to minus 13 per ohm meter in the question. So putting the values, we know that current density is equal to sigma into E, and current density also got another equation, which is N into E into Vd. So we are equating the above two equations. So we get that sigma into E will be equal to N into E into Vd. That is equating the above two equations. And from here we have to find the average speed of ions, which is Vd, will be equal to sigma into E divided by N into E. So the equation will be Vd is equal to sigma into E divided by N into E, and the values are directly substituted in the equation. The value of sigma is 4 into 10 raised to minus 13 into electrical field 100 volt per meter divided by 300 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 1 electron. So drift velocity, or the average speed of ions, will be equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 7, and the unit will be meter per second. So the drift velocity of the average speed of ions will be 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter per second. So this will be the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.